bit close up all of our gozlemes. Good idea just to flatten it down. Try and pick it up from both edges so it's nice and sealed. You'll be making it at home on a fry pan, or if you've got a flat barbecue, just oil up the area. Just helps you smooth out the gozleme. So when you're pushing it down, you've got about 10 seconds to be able to flatten it out and to get a nice even consistency. As you see there, I'm using this formation to kind of push out the gozleme to make it nice and even. But what you're aiming for is a nice even consistency across the whole gozleme. Oil on top, oil on bottom. Because we've got a hot plate here that's quite warm, I'll need to turn it around just to seal out both sides. It's very important to make sure that you apply pressure to the edges of the gozleme to get smooth, even distribution of heat. Obviously, I recommend cooking one gozleme at a time at home. And what we're looking for is a nice even consistency in the heat.